Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the sound effects in Vampire Survivors. And to do this you'll need to click on the options. Right here there's a classic sound effects and you can change it to blast processed or classic. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.